Workspaces. So Fusion 360 has different workspaces, and we provide these different workspaces so that we can switch our ribbon bar to different tool sets. Right now the workspace we're in is in design. If I hit the down arrow, I can go to generative design, and I can also go down to render, and go to render, and when you pick on these, it will switch the ribbon. Okay, so the ribbon switches to the new tools. And so you can go down here to animation. Here are all your tools for animation then. And we also have one for simulation. And so these are all our tools that allow us to perform deformation and failure, etc. And all right, hang on. And we can also go down to manufacture. And our manufacturing workspace gives us all our CNC programming, basically in our CAM workflows, so that we can have this thing milled and turned, etc. And we can also go down to drawings. And drawings will actually create our documentation from our 3D model. So it'll create our orthographic views and section views and things of that nature. So we have these different workspaces. They allow us then to conserve our tool space and our ribbon. We generally are going to work in our design most of the time. Then we're going to work kind of downhill. We're going to go to render and animation and simulation and manufacture. It's kind of the process we go. And if we could do generative design, which is using AI to create our design versus our manual form design that we would typically do in 3D. So this is called Workspaces, and we will generally start in the design workspace.